Lullabies, welcome to the 14-day vlogging challenge, and this is day 6, and today's theme is pocket dump, which means you dump everything out of your pockets. I rarely keep things in my pocket. It's usually my phone and my earpiece. Wait, let me show you. Candles. I don't know what brand it is. What does it say? What? J-Labs. Yeah, J-Labs. You don't have to whisper, you know. You're my assistant. Because you're an ass. Okay. We also have to show what we have always been bringing with us around in our bags. And since I go to UBD almost every day, except for Sundays, I'll show you what's in my bag. This is my UBD bag, which was given to everyone of the January intake. I don't really like it because it's kind of small, as you can see. It's not really that wide. And they don't put the UBD logo or words here. Because the last semester before mine, they had the UBD thing over here. It was kind of bigger than ours. So it was pretty disappointing. These bags came in 3 colors: red, dark blue, and gray. So I'll show you what I always bring with me. Let's start with the first pocket. I rarely keep anything inside things. Let's open her up. First thing I see is my glasses, which I rarely wear. I mean, when I'm not studying. I can't see that far. So here are my glasses. I'm gonna buy new ones soon. They come with these napkin thingies, or whatever they're called, so I can clean them. So the next thing I'm gonna take out is my wallet. It's really big. People confuse this with the Samsung Note thing. They're like, hey, I wanna play a game. I don't really have money. I have no money! Oh wait, I have a few dollars, okay. There's like 3 smaller pockets inside, but I'm just taking out the ones that's not pockets. I have my power bank. It's in a pink bag, but the thing is red. Open! Okay, it's a nice glossy red. 7800 mAh, whatever that means. I will use this every day actually. I have perfume, Body Shop brand Strawberry Body Mist. My close friend Belle also uses this, but I think hers was in vanilla. So we need to find someone for chocolate, and then we can be a gang of ice cream. I love this smell. Actually, everyone loves this. I mean, whenever I use this, all my other friends want to use this. Then we end up being #Team Sugarly. I have my shades. These are actually originals from Ray-Bans. Yeah. Am I cool now? Eva?
It's cool now.
Am I cool?
You have coolness.
Okay. Take these off. Let's start with the smallest pocket. It's where I put my ID. And this one is where I put most of my makeup stuff when I want to feel pretty. With my compact powder. Silky white. More silky girl stuff. Itchy. Okay. Silky girl 2-in-1 eyeliner. I think I've shown you most of my makeup stuff in my vlog about makeup. My Body Shop mini brush set. More silky girl. Dual eyeshadow in Mocha Latte. My NYX mascara. And what else? Yeah, that's the only makeup I wear. I always bring mints around. I don't know, since I can't eat candy freely, I use mints because they're easier to bring around. Look how small that is. And even though this is brand. This is delicious. It's peppermint. I really like it. It's unopened though, so I can't really show you what it tastes like. Oh, I have this smaller bag, which I put my lip gloss and lipstick in. See, lip balm, lip glass. This is new. I also have some these elastic hair ties, some hairpins, and what's this? Oh yeah, some pins in case my tudong pins fall out. So let's put that back in. Get back in there. What else do I have? I have some color pens in case I feel like making my notes pretty. Spare thingies, scrunchies, whatever. I have more mints. Tips for Playboy. This one's open, so they're really tiny. Look at that. It looks like a drug. Yeah, so that's what's in the front pocket thing. So let's just put everything back in, so I don't have to like pack everything up for Monday, because I have class at 8. And the next isn't really interesting. The bigger part is where I put most of my stuff. I put a mini umbrella in here because sometimes it rains and I walk around UBD. I don't have a car yet. This is my pencil case. Nya, 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 nya. It has this thing at the end that says Malay. Should have gotten one that says Eza, but yeah, whatever. I have a UBD notebook, also given to us, which was in the bag. I have random stuff in here. I don't really use it much. Random things, random notes, random drawings. I don't know. I think it's because it's not pretty. That's why I don't use it. But I have this thing. It's a sticky note book thing. Look at that. Now, this is pretty. I have some wet wipes because sometimes places are not clean in UBD, like where I want to sit or something, like canteen table. This is my notebook. So cute. It's actually a planner. It was usually where I write down my homework. And stuff. It used to be so color coded, now it's just so blank. Because next is this paper thing. I need to get more. I only have like this much left. And the last thing I have in my school bag is this Winnie the Pooh file thingy. So cute. I've had this for years actually. I think since Form 1. I just put some random papers in here and then I just sort them out sooner or later. So yeah, that was basically what's in my bag, or pocket dump. Yeah, this has been pocket dump. Hopefully you have enjoyed going through my stuff. And basically what I bring to school is what I bring to everywhere. Well, not my school books, of course, but yeah. And I don't know, each day depends on what subjects I have. Like if I have Japanese that day, I bring my Japanese textbooks, which are in my cabinet right now, and I don't want to get it out. So yeah. Stay tuned for vlog number 7, which might be the last one, I think. Yeah. So, thanks for watching my lullabies. Bye-bye.
Thank you.